welcome back to my channel. PlannerGirlMek here. Today we are doing the monthly highlights of January using the fancy winter journaling page from my shop, PlannerGirlMek Planner and Bible stickers. Shameless plug, yes. But yes, I went ahead and pre-cropped everything out using the PNG file that is included when you purchase, and that is on mainly the new items. I am slowly going through my shop and updating the older files and getting PNGs for them, or just revamping the kits altogether. The ones without PNG transparent background will be in the retiring soon section. I am working, trying my best to work to get that all in the retiring soon section, and eventually those will go on sale because they just don't have the same file format anymore. But anywho's, I love the way I did this journaling page, because this time when I, put the florals together, I did not draw these florals. I shop from, I think I use the same shop all the time wherever I get my florals from. But she's amazing. I love what she does. Girl, thank you so much. But I finally decided to use one and like cut with the straight line at the bottom so I can use it as a border or a header. Excuse me. So I decided, when I designed this kit in my mind, I said, I'm going to use this for my monthly spread. And I can also use it as a Bible journaling spread. I can use it as a journal with me spread. And it was hard. I had to decide which one did I want to do, because I don't want to give you guys 3 different videos using the same journaling page unless you want me to do that. I have no problems doing that. But I just didn't want you guys to be like, "Oh, she's using the same stuff." But so for this one, I decided to do a monthly highlights, and I absolutely loved how it came out. I was very, very excited, and the colors it's just so pretty. The pinks, the reds, the purples. I mean, it's just everything. And the blue just pops out like it's just icy blue. And I loved it. I loved it so much. The fashion doll is giving me, yes, we are walking into 2022 and you can't tell us nothing. And I loved it, which was perfect with the scripture that I chose for this journaling page, for we walk by faith and not by sight, because she is clearly walking into her destiny. We are walking into 2022 like what? Now, with that being said, the month of January was probably the most stressful month for me to date. My kids went back to school on the 3rd from winter break. My son had to come back and spend another 2 weeks at home because someone in his class unfortunately had tested positive for COVID. So they put the entire class on COVID quarantine, and they were going to be there, possibly wouldn't come back to class until the 17th. So then I took my daughter to school on the 5th, because they canceled school on the 3rd because of the weather. And then I took my daughter to school, then got a phone call, and her class, someone had also contacted COVID, and she had to be put on quarantine. But unfortunately, she started to exhibit symptoms. I took her in a few days later, and she tested positive for COVID, and it was a nightmare. Fortunately, she got better fairly quickly, but just watching my baby be sick, knowing that there's nothing I could do, just make her comfortable, it was immensely stressful, and I couldn't think straight. I couldn't do anything. It's like I just wanted my baby to be better, and it was hard just, just seeing her not feel well. And I'm thankful and blessed that she is better now. We did go ahead and decide with her decision. I like for my children to, help make the decisions when it comes to them. We ultimately have the final say, But when it's medical stuff like this, she's old enough to help make those decisions. And she actually came to my husband and I and said, I want to get the vaccine. And we said, okay, let's go. So we took her and we got her vaccinated. My son is fully vaccinated already. And she has one more COVID vaccine to get, and we will be fully vaccinated. And yeah, so it's been a time, but because she contacted COVID, once she got better, my son had to be quarantined for an additional 10 days, additional 5 days. They changed it to five from 10. And if he didn't exhibit any symptoms after that, he was allowed to come back to class. So he didn't go back to school until like the 25th. So that's where my brain's been for the past month. And then later in that week, I got news that my sister had passed, and I won't go into full detail with that because I can't talk about that without crying and getting emotional. And it's just been a hard transition for me. And January just sucked, and there's just no other way to say it. And I am I am getting by as best as I can, and I'm focusing on my kids and my husband, and that's helping me. And I know a lot of people have told me, you should do this, you should do that, you should do that. And my model is I should grieve the way I want to grieve. So that is what I'm doing. So I am getting better. It's a process, and having my other sisters together as we've been together the best way we can be has helped. And yeah, so that's where I am. That's why there's been no plan with me's for January. And I have already started working on the February plan with me. So just bear with me as I am taking it one day at a time. So that's a little update on where I've been, what's going on with the plan with me's. The journal with me's are a lot easier. They're very therapeutic for me. So you will see a lot of those. But I am getting back to the plan with me's. But I just wanted to give you guys a January highlights because I did not give you any plan with me's at all for January. So yeah, so we're almost done. Let me tell you what I've done. The Hello January is from Ink and Pine. The Happy New Year and the 2022 is from Boss Lady New Year journaling page that is in my shop. I am currently having a 20% off sale in my shop right now, so you can get that for 20%. There's always going to be some type of sale or someone having a coupon code. I believe Sherry's coupon code is still working. You can use her code Sherry25. And I think her code will last until the end of the month. And yeah, so Sherry's been very, very sweet and always supporting my shop. So yeah, I just had to give her some love for the shop. But yes, guys, this is it. Right now, I am just trying to make it, what's the word I want to use? Flow. Kind of make the florals, like not all, have them all facing the same direction. So I was like flipping some back and forth. Here I am using these doves. I got this from Canva. I believe you can get these doves with the free version. It comes in white and you can just change the colors. These were my sister's favorite color. They are the colors of the African flag. She was very Afrocentric. That was very much who she was. She was very much women's empowerment, and she was just an amazing, amazing woman. And so I just wanted to give her a little homage in this spread so I can always remember her. I did do a journaling page. No, I did not share that journaling page because that was very hard for me to do that page, but I did it, and that was for me. So yes, so right now I am just showing you the end of the spread as we get through. Okay, I'm going to try to record this ending one more time. I know you guys are probably like, wait, what happened? Yeah, my screen voice record is not acting right. This is probably like the 5th time that I've tried to do this. The video will just freeze. The video will keep recording, but the video will freeze, and then I can't see what's going on. It's the life of a YouTuber. But it's okay. We are almost there, almost to the finish line. I am just adding some little finesses and sparkles to this. Struggling with this floral here. I had to move it over to the side in order to make a copy of it so it wouldn't try to copy everything. So it was trying to pick up the fashion doll and the floral, and I just wanted the floral so I could make a copy and paste more of them around her. I think I got so frustrated that I only I only pasted one and was like, I'm done. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in there, copy, put it back over, and then paste it one more at the bottom. I think that's all I did with that one. And then we are basically done. Oh no, I put another one down there. Okay. Okay, look at me. Look at me, y'all. Moving past my frustrations. Won't he do it? So I added those florals next to the dates, the Monday through Saturday. And yes, that one there will be fixed. I also had to go through and move the sticker above to get rid of the little dots. And like I said, I hadn't planned in a while because I could have easily went to my favorite lasso tool and just highlighted the text, and then I could have circled and deleted that way. But did I do that? No, ma'am, I didn't. I didn't do that. No, I just had to be hard headed and do things the hard way. So I moved the sticker completely and then went to text and delete. I mean, it's a way to do it. So we're not going to complain. There's multiple ways, to do things. It's all good. I just chose to do it the hard way. But I know now, okay? My brain is still trying to, refresh on everything that I've been doing. But I think I did a really good job for not actually doing any planning for an entire month. Yeah, like I said, it's been a rough one, but we made it through. So I'm just adding some more of those diamonds and getting it all together. And this is the ending. I'm going to show you a full overview. Again, we use the Fancy Winter, and we also use the Boss Lady New Year's journaling pages to make this kit. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you have made it this far in the video, leave me a little heart at the bottom, and I will check you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.